I can't make this shit up, and sometimes in my backyard I feel like Snow White, but I'm not Snow White. I'm more like Stoned White, and I'm going to show you what I have going on right now. Here's my beautiful tomato plant that I keep a net on, and I seen it going nuts, like moving around. And look here, a little Carolina wren has trapped itself, can you see it, inside the tomato net. So I have to help her get out of here. I just wanted to show you what goes on in my crazy little backyard life. Yep, that's right. Stoned White Princess. Actually, I'm a queen.